Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on About Phone. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore and scroll down to the Google Backup section. As you can see on the second position we've got the backup account, so here we have to tap in order to add a backup account now. But if you've got this option, as you can see, inactive, just like now, nothing easier, just tap on Backup My Data, tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the backup account is active. So let's tap on it and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is obviously required to this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Let's tap on Next if you're ready. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but we can just ignore it and tap on accept, because here we will have the full page, the full information what the backup includes. So so your device will provide you with 15 gigabytes of Google account on which you can store and backed up data just like the apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also text messages. What's more, here we've got the info that your device will back up data automatically, will store it securely. What's more, you will be able to manage your data whenever you want to. So if you want to back up the data right now, you have to just simply tap on Turn On. If you decide that you want to wait, just tap on Not Now, and if you will decide that you want to back up your account right now, just come back to this Backup and Restore option and tap on Backup Account. Pick the account on which you'd like to back up the data, and as you can see we just got back to this particular step, so just tap on Turn On. And actually we got back to the Backup and Restore because the backup data option is on. So from now on everything which is saved on your device will be also saved on the backup account. Here you've got also the option Automatic Restore, which is defaultly turned on. Of course you can turn that off just by tapping on the switcher, and it means that when you will reinstall an app, then your device will restore all backed up data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.